We're looking at USO here on the weekly chart. And as you can see, we're trading right in between this 23.6 and this 38.2 fib level. They're going to be trading at 78.35 and 74.95 respectively. We ended the day 76.16, basically a dollar up from where we were trading yesterday. So where does that kind of put us going forward in here? Well, we do have a little bit of a hammer candle here on the weekly chart. So could we see a little reversal in here, or is this setting up for another pullback down here into the 74? So that is going to be the question that we're going to be watching. We're going to be watching this 9-day EMA that's currently trading right at that basically 75 level as well. So that is going to carry a lot of support for us if we do end up pulling back. But if we keep on running up, 78.34 or 35 is going to be the major resistance in here. We're going to watch anything above that. We're just going to chalk it up to this 83 up here, not really worrying about that $80 psych level. Now, you do have right around a 56-cent expected move priced in by tomorrow's trading session. Next Friday, right around $2. We go all the way out to August monthlies, right around a $5 expected move. So we'll see what happens in here. IV rank is at 20. So relatively cheap options in here compared to itself. So low risk, low reward, basically overall, because you're not really getting a whole lot of movement in here, but you get a dollar pop here and there overall. And on the week, you're basically getting about $4, $3 to $4 moves in here every week from open to close. So that is always something to kind of take into consideration as well. But again, we're going to be looking at this 78.35 here on the weekly chart. Anything below that, it is going to be the 74.95 level. That's going to hold a lot of weight here for your support. Your volume in here on the week so far, the past 3 weeks have been the same. Obviously, you have these 3 weeks right here, which happened mid-June, that just volume went through the roof. So unless we get any outlier events again, any kind of news about tariff or war, things like that, obviously USO is going to pop or just pull back really sharply. So this is always basically kind of a low risk, low reward play. Whereas if you are on the right side of a big move and a news event happens overnight, then obviously you're just going to make bank in here. But again, it is going to be low volatility stock until those news things break or news events happen and things like that. So overall, again, right around a 56-cent expected move by tomorrow. We'll see how we end up on this weekly candle in here so far. Like I mentioned before, is a hammer. So we'll see how we end up here, and we'll see how next week takes us, and hopefully nothing crazy happens over the weekend with Trump and all the other news going on in the world. So we'll see what happens in here in USO. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.